Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics guys. Today will be a quick detailing video, very helpful video if you have leather interior guys. We'll share what we use and how we make it look like brand new again. Leather seats, turn grade, steering wheels, everything that's leather made will look like new. So what we're using guys today, okay, right here you can see it's made by Chemical guys. Nothing sponsored here guys, but we love their products and made in California here, and they use them on really expensive vehicles, and that's what we use right here. Colorless, odorless leather cleaner. It's pH balanced. It's very important for the cleaner to be pH balanced so it doesn't dry your leather. And after that we use leather conditioner, but stay with us to see how we're going to clean them. Okay, we put some in a spray bottle. They sell them in small quantities as well. You can check the more information in the description of the video below guys. Okay, and a soft bristle brush right now, and we're going to do that half right here. Okay, half of the seat, and we want to see if it's going to look any different than the other half. And keep in mind that it's been detailed, okay, not too long ago, but we like to keep things clean, so we usually do that every couple months. Okay, so we're going to brush it for a little bit now. Okay, we're going to apply just a little bit more now. Okay, you can see the foam started turning kind of like yellowish brownish. Okay, look at that thing. That dirt is coming out of the pores. So we're going to get, okay, a clean microfiber towel now. Okay, and we're going to wipe it guys and see what will come out. Okay, it's important to wipe and not let it go back in the leather. Okay, you might have to do that once or twice depending how bad your seats are. Okay, always try to get the little creases and stuff. Okay, let's see the microfiber towel. Okay, check it out how black that thing is. Okay guys, let's pull the tape. Okay, and you can see, check it out now, the difference, okay, between the two areas that we worked. Okay, like this one, you can see it has that shiny, dirty look, even though it's been cleaned not too long ago. And look at this one, nice, soft, fresh look. Okay, right here. Now we need to condition it the right way. Okay, so we just get a little bit of the leather conditioner. Okay, it's really convenient if you put it in a small bottle, but we get a little bit, still have our gloves on, and we're going to rub it in all the way. Okay, you have to massage it in the leather, okay, so that vitamin E can absorb and make the leather elastic. Okay, give it new life. Okay, that shine will go away. You can see I'm not a big fan of the shine stuff, but eventually it does go away because we'll use a microfiber towel now. Okay, and you're going to wipe the excess amount off. Okay, right there guys, and you can see now, okay, how much healthier, okay, that leather looks. Okay, look at that thing now, so how soft it is. Okay, especially right here where you enter the vehicle. And check this one just, it doesn't look right. You can see the dirt in the pores, and this one you can see how clean it is. So quick video guys, just to show you how to maintain your interior. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.